As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes the rain on the lake, I can see him through the bushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. I'm a sucker for the killing and the cooing. But when you hear that patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby paws all golden browny, their beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little ducklings walking round the line. I'll do what any other mother would, will try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood, those little curves that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would, to get my ducks decked out and living in style.
Morning, Ida.
Oh, good morning, Maureen.
How's the mother to be?
Well, she'd be better. The father who was better being the father who is. I sometimes think I would have been better off pairing with a decoy duck.
The very thought. I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous dad once the family arrives.
Oh, no, not him. He's a duck by name and a duck by nature, ducking out of his responsibilities. Oh, no. I say, if butts were meant for sitting on eggs all day, they should have been designed with big old dimples in them.
How much longer you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all of my prenatal hatching classes run by that self-satisfied store, right? And she said about half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Well, best thing is come to those who wait.
Oh, I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same.
Oh, but just think of all the rewards, all those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed,
Waking you up at all hours,
getting into deep water,
attracting unwanted admirers.
like the cat! Oh, why do we put ourselves through it?
Cause when you hear that dimple dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rebel. Then watch their maiden voyage out from the bay.
Like champagne corks, you'll see them bobbing.
Accompanied by mothers of
Relief, thanks be to nature, nobody's safe. It's the... It's the